In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your email to default to full screen in Gmail. It's a straightforward process, but it can make your emailing experience much more efficient and pleasant. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your Gmail account. If you haven't already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your primary inbox page, which should look familiar. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll see a small gear icon. This is your Settings button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select the option that reads See All Settings. This will open up the main settings page, where we'll make the necessary changes. In the Settings page, there are quite a few tabs at the top. You're going to want to choose the tab that says General. This is where most of the default settings for your account are located. Scroll down to find the section labeled Default Reply Behavior. Here, you might notice an option that allows you to choose a setting for how your emails open. The goal is to make sure your emails always open in full screen, providing a cleaner, more distraction-free environment for reading and composing messages. To ensure this setting is enabled, find the option that refers to email screen size or something similar that suggests a full screen view. If it isn't already selected, go ahead and select it. Doing this will make sure that every time you open an email, it will automatically expand to fill the whole window, which can be really helpful if you frequently deal with long messages or multiple attachments. After changing the settings to your preference, don't forget to scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This is a crucial step, as it ensures that your new settings are retained. Once saved, the page will reload, and you'll be brought back to your inbox. Try opening an email to see your settings in action, and it should now display in full screen as desired. This adjustment might seem small, but it can significantly streamline your workflow by giving you more space to read and respond to emails. If at any point you decide you'd like to revert to the original view, simply follow these steps again and select your preferred viewing option. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set your email in Gmail to default to full screen. This simple optimization can make a big difference, especially if you spend a lot of time in your inbox. Thanks for joining me in today's video, and I hope this guide has helped improve your email experience.